In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add music to WhatsApp status. First of all, we have to update our WhatsApp app. So go to your Play Store and search for WhatsApp. If you see any new update available, then make sure to update the app. Now go ahead and launch the WhatsApp app on your phone and go to Updates. Tap on Add Status to create a new status. Here, you can select text. You can select a photo from your gallery as well or a video. And if you want to add a music status, then select music. And now from this popular list, you can go ahead and pick any of the music from here. Or you can search for a specific song or artist using this search box. So in my case, I'm just selecting this song, for example. Tapping on done. And now we can see the music successfully added. And now if you want to add something, you can just go ahead and write something here. You can add a sticker. Now just tap on send. And we can see the status successfully published with a music. Thanks for watching.